Hello Year 3. So we've got another science experiment to do today, which is going to teach you more about sound. So you need some glasses and something to hit the glasses with. I've used a metal straw. You also need some water. Now, we're going to be learning today about different pitches, and you can have high pitches, which are really high up like this, and you can have really low pitches. And we're going to pour the water in these glasses and see if we can make high pitches and low pitches. So I'm just going to show you. So I'm going to start off by pouring a bit of water in the first glass, just to show you what I mean. So this glass doesn't have any water in. Listen. Now this glass has got a little bit of water in. Listen. I'm going to put a bit more in. Different sounds, because that one's got water in and that one hasn't. Now what happens, you know what we did last week, sound waves vibrate, so the sound gets made and then it travels in invisible waves to our ears and then we can hear it. And the thing that makes the sound is the vibration or the wobbling. Now a high sound is when something vibrates really fast, and when it's a lower sound, it doesn't vibrate as fast, it vibrates a bit slower. Now the reason, if you put water in a cup, there's not as much air. Now sound vibrates quicker, the sound waves vibrate quicker when it travels through the air. But when the sound waves have to travel through water, it slows them down. So if you hit a glass with no water in, it's a high sound because those sound waves, those vibrations are happening really quickly. Whereas if you hit a glass with water in, the sound waves and the vibrations are slowed down with the water. So I want you to have a go at that today. You need to get a few glasses and you need to fill them up with different amounts of water in each one. I'm going to put a little bit in that one. I'm going to put this one full to the top. I'm going to leave this one empty. And I'm going to put a middle amount in this one. Hopefully this will make different sounds on each glass. So this one should be the highest and this one should be the lowest sound. Let's test it. Can you hear it's getting lower? And that's getting higher. I want you to have a go at this at home and see if you can make a low sound. And a bit higher, and a bit higher, and a bit higher, and really high. If you manage to do that and you manage to make different pitches of sounds with your glasses, then why don't you see if you can make up a tune? That's the start of Three Blind Mice. 3 blind mice, 3 blind mice. Well, it's not quite 3 blind mice, but I reckon if I practiced, I'd get it. So that's your challenge today. You need to create different pitches of sound using glasses of water. And if you want to send your explanation as to why they are different pitches, send them in a video. Bye!